Oh, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? We're back. Long time no see, chat. Long time no see. I feel like it's been forever. I feel like it's been forever. I feel like we haven't been together in a long time. Right now, looking for 100 points here. Short from the 236s. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that. 135, my first fill here. I got 5 contracts short right now. 5 contracts short. And we'll see if we get filled. Good morning, good morning. So happy to be back. So happy to be back. Come on, little Nasdaq, get down there. I'll show you guys why I thought what I thought here in a second. Look at the hourly chart right now. Take a look at the hourly chart, right? Hourly chart. We've got these lows down here, 23,000, 120 area, 23,000, like just kind of like 23,050, 23,070. So I was looking to play into that hourly chart, this bear flag that we had right here. We had a perfect little bear flag on the hourly chart there. So let's go. Let's go. Right now, this is my personal account. This is my cash account. All right, we got filled. Beautiful. Fuck yeah. You can see, this is Optimus Flow. We're up $8,000. We got 4 contracts left. We just locked in 100 points. Can we get some more? We'll take one more off right there. Not to be greedy. Not to be greedy, right? Not to be greedy. Maybe get a little bit more down here. A little bit more. I'm gonna take one more right there. All right, so we got 2 contracts left. And we got a couple more targets lower from here. So let's go. Short from the 239s. Let's go. Also, the final and last day of Apex. Big sale right now. That's right, that's right. Ooh, buddy. What's good? How'd your weekend? How did everybody have a good weekend? Everybody have a good weekend? You know I did. You know I did, chat. Went to New York City and absolutely just beautiful weather in New York. Absolutely beautiful weather in New York City this weekend. Oh, lordy, lordy, not the right one. Dude, New York City, yeah, I know, that was good. Good stuff. Brain fart said get long. Why you gotta say that for, brain fart? What the fuck, brain fart? I'm short right now, asshole. You can see I'm short right now. I got 2 contracts left. I shorted 6 contracts up there at the 239s. And right now, 125 here. I might take a little bit more there just to lock in 100 points on this trade. 100 points on the trade. Good birthday weekend. You know it. You know it. Fucking A. Do I take profit here, close it all out? I'm gonna take one more right there. All right, I got 1 contract left. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this here. I'm gonna do it like this, you know what I mean? I'm gonna put another target down there, 23,100. We're right down there to this pivot point on the hourly chart right now. Hourly chart pivot point down there. 113s. Beautiful little bear flag here on the hourly chart. The market just moving on down back to this support level. We got this support here, 23,000 like 50 area. Why do I enter? It was a bear flag. You can see here on the 1 minute chart, I got short in this area here at the 40s to try to get that bigger picture move down there. And that's exactly what we did. PW, you're early. I like to party. We got news today as well, 9:45 and 10 o'clock news. Did I wait for the New York Open? No, I got short because, well, I saw a big bear flag here playing out. And just had to go for it, baby. Had to go for it. Just had to go for it, chat. Yeah, this is Optimus Futures, Optimus Flow. This is my real money account. Are you going to trade the 20 Apex accounts? I'm going to, yes. I got 20 Apex 300K accounts with that deal going on right now, so. Hello, Patrick. Do you trade live Nasdaq every day? Yes. Yes, sir. Did you meet Trump in New York City? No, he wasn't there. Right now, we are short from the 43s, looking for this 100 area down there. We're up 100 points. Are we going lower? Are we going lower, chat? Brain fart said to get long. Oh, man. Oh, man. Brain fart. Fart brain. A little fart brainer. Ba 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 ba. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. Looking at a 5-minute chart right now. I'm gonna put my stop right above the high of this 5-minute candle for now. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out, but still looking for some more to the downside. Trying to trail this a little bit. Trying to trail it a little bit. When are you trading the Apex accounts? At market open, maybe. YOLO, baby. 20 accounts. Mucho dinero. Mucholo dinero. Hey, Pat, how long have you been in the trade? How long you trade? Like in general or now? Like my whole life or for like now? Which one are you talking about, Willis? How many years? I don't know, 8 years? 8 years now? 8 years of day trading live on YouTube. All right, Nasdaq kind of dipping down here. Let's see if we can get filled. I got an order at the right below the 23,100s. Let's go. On the hourly chart, we got a pivot point coming up there. We just kind of bounced right off it, actually. I'm gonna move my stop to the 25s. I might get stopped out here for a nice little profit. Over 100 points, locking it in. All right, we're out there. I'll take that. I'll take that. On the day right now, we're up $11,700. There's that pivot point we just bounced off of on the Nasdaq here. There for the hourly chart, so we'll see what happens here next. It is currently 8:50. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news today. What made you take the sell? Look at the chart, my friend. Big old bear flags. Bear flagging and bear flagging. We had a bear flag, another bear flag. So, just trading those bear flags, man. That's why I got short. And then the hourly chart had a pretty good target to the downside there as well. Am I expecting chop at open? I don't really expect anything, to be honest. I just trade whatever happens. No expectations. Just trading. I thought you only trade the 9:30 open. Well, yes, that's normally what I do. I came in here this morning at 8 a.m. I saw a really good setup and I said, hey, why not take the trade? What do you want? I mean, come on, people. The hourly chart, we had a great target. Everything was lining up perfectly. The bear flag, the target, this previous support level. Will you take another trade? Yes, I'll take another trade. Gosh. The questions. All right, we're down here to this key level of support. We'll see if the buyers want to step in there. See what happens. Does Apex have a consistency rule? They have a consistency rule when it comes to being funded, but not in the eval. The ES, the Nasdaq, everything kind of just moving down here to the lows right now. Dude, everybody in the chat, what's going on, Take Profit Trader? What's going on with this? I don't know, guys. I'm not the customer service of any prop firm. I am not customer service of prop firms. I am Patrick Wieland. Day trading on YouTube. Day trading. Okay? No customer service questions. We had a great trip to New York City, baby. Oh my God, Nasdaq absolutely dumping here. Wow. What just happened? Somebody, brain fart. You said to get short. You said to get long. What happened, brain fart? Oh my God. Market just dumped 100 points in a 1 minute candle. What the fuck? That's a scam. Market thinks it's 9 a.m. right now, not 8:55. Market's drunk right now. Market is drunk right now, chat. China news. China. Some news coming out right there about some chip stuff. Support wise, we got 23,078. We got 23,042 to the downside there. We just kind of broke through that 70 area. We'll see what happens here next. Got that pivot point right there, 23,113s. You can see on the hourly chart right now, it's just been sell, sell, sell. The London Open market down here, 23,100 area now. Got Nvidia, you got everything kind of moving on down. Apple down, Nvidia, oh Lord. Nvidia down to the 169s. Nvidia gapping down almost 3% right now since Friday, so big moves in the markets. Patrick, call Apex and tell them to extend. Well, I mean, you have today. You got, I mean, today you can buy the 90% off deal today. Apex just texted me and said, don't call me. I'm not extending it. I already gave you 5 days. Don't ask for an extension. Don't ask for an extension, they said. All right, all right, all right. Don't yell at me, people. Everyone's yelling at me right now. All right, so the Nasdaq getting absolutely murdered here overnight right now. Absolutely murdered so far. hourly chart down here to the August 20th kind of low area now. If we lose that, the next level of support is going to be down here, 22,770 area. Oh, man. What a time to be alive. We've had pretty much just nothing but selling all night long. We'll see if we get some type of little pushback up maybe at open for another short opportunity. It's hard to get short down here, but you know how that goes. You all know how that goes. Y'all know how that goes. Patrick, how's your NVIDIA position? Let me look. It's out. I got out of NVIDIA. For now. All right, 9 o'clock. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here. Right now, it's just been nothing but sell, sell, sell. We've got these lows down here. Maybe we could dip down, take out that 23,000 area. Some news this morning about some chip stuff and some tariff stuff and all the fun stuff. How was the New York City trip? New York City trip was great. Had a great time in New York City. If you're just now tuning in, I took a little short here in my personal cash account. We got short there earlier at the 240 area and covered for 100 points to the downside. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Locked in a nice little $11,000 this morning so far. Almost 12,000, but who's counting? You know, who's counting? Who's counting? Little some pictures from the weekend. Beautiful weather in New York City this weekend. It was like 70 degrees, sunny, just absolutely beautiful. Also, I found this poster in New York City on the wall about to make 1,000% gains, baby. Gotta love it. What else do we do this weekend? Oh, I met a subscriber. I was walking down the street in New York City, and some guy yells out to me. He's like, Patrick. I'm like, who? What? And I looked. It was this guy. He found me on the streets of New York City. There's me and Victoria Trades. Just beautiful. So beautiful. And then, yeah, this other New York stuff. But same old New York. Big cities. Lots of food. Legal marijuana. Good life. What were some of the favorite eats? We had omakase one night. Some good smash burgers, pizza. I'm pretty simple, man. Honestly, like on Saturday, we went and got a massage. Went to the baths, got a little massage, and then just walked around the city basically all day. There on Saturday, just enjoying it, man. Victoria is such a lucky woman to have such a beautiful husband. Oh, I bet she feels the same way. I bet she feels the same way. Yes, I got a happy ending massage with my girlfriend. It was great. All right, are we just gonna be building out a bear flag here into open? 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart pushing back up here. We've got the 21 EMA. We've got the gap fill all the way back up there, 23,464s. So we'll see how she goes. There is a channel sharing your live stream and live betting on it. Sounds fun. Live betting. All right, I mean, I feel like we've gotten this close to this area. That's 23,000, right? 23,000, 30, 40 area. It would feel like it would almost be, just wouldn't be right to not touch that area here. Andy K, what is the name of the channel? What is the name of the channel that's betting on Patrick Wieland? What do I mean when I'm talking about when I'm talking about the gap? So the gap is basically saying where we closed at on Friday. So Friday, the market closed at the 23,400 level. So this is the gap, right? We're here to here. This is our gap. That dotted line is the gap. Yeah, I want to go bet on myself. Yeah, about 350 points right now is how big the gap is. Oh, this, we gotta watch this. I gotta watch this. I gotta watch this real quick. New Tory Trades fucking... New Tory Trades video? New Tory Trades video?
And it's just, it is what it is. Since I have set the theme and set the tone for transparency, I have removed myself of the luxury of getting to pick and choose what trades I get to talk about. So, what did I do? I went on tilt. I'm human. It sucks. It was a shitty trade. It was a really crummy trade. I'll give you guys the lowdown on how it went down. Very long, so I had I got the break. I got into my position. Too heavy. I over leveraged. 40 contracts. We're up. We're in drawdown. We're up. We're in drawdown. We're up. We get the break. We get the break here. I should have just taken my $35,000 loss. That was my anticipated risk for this trade. That would have been one of my biggest, and I needed to stay in. So I marked up this key level. It got to it before, fell off. It got to it before, fell off. If it can get to it and fall off again, then I'm good. I'm safe, and it was a great decision to move my stop, to remove my stop. Got to it and started falling off. 4 hours after the next day, they got 3 touch point trend line break. I created a high risk scenario by going in way too heavy in position size. Explain is that I truly think the amount of stress that I went through in that trade took years off of my life. So I hope you can learn from this.
God.
I've learned a lot from this.
God, she's terrible.
Some of you guys are going to see this trade, especially the people that just continue.
So basically, she held a trade from July 4th until August something. She was down like $200,000 on the trade at one point, and she closed it out for a profit. So, yeah. You should use her code when you sign up with prop firms because, you know, everybody that trades prop firms also can put on a trade and hold it for 1 month and learn how to trade the 4-hour chart. Ouch. The best is just like her
shitty trade. It was really crummy trade. I'll give you guys the lowdown on
I like this part.
This is my biggest lapse in judgment. Worst decision. I mean, this isn't gonna be fun to talk about. It's not gonna make me look great, and it's just, it is what it is. Since it
is what it is, guys. Like, you know.
What did I do? I went on tilt.
I went on tilt.
I'm human.
I'm human. No, bitch. You held a trade for a month. Going on tilt is like blowing up your account one day, right? Like, you know, blowing it, but holding a fucking $250,000 loss for a month long, that's not going on tilt. That's just being full fucking retard. Like, how many days do you go from being, you know, like, I mean, I go on tilt and I usually snap out of it, you know? I'd be like, I go on tilt, blow up an account, then I'm like, okay, I'm no longer on tilt. But a month of tilt? Man, she was on tilt for a month straight. For a month straight. That's not a very good excuse. Not a very good excuse, Tori. All right. Nasdaq, 23,120s right now. 15-minute chart, kind of building out. It's gonna be building out a bear flag here. Music's too loud. Sorry. Don't yell at me, chat. Don't yell at me. All right, don't yell at me. Margin calls don't exist. Not when you're fucking Tory trades, bro. I don't care what anyone says. That's not having conviction. Being down $200,000 on a trade is not conviction. That's just like, I don't even know what that is. It was definitely, I mean, I don't want to say it was a paper trade, but pretty crazy. What broker allows you to hold a $250,000 position like in the negative? You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know. My broker would call if I had 40 contracts, right? I've done it before. I've actually gotten phone calls, like no legitimately. When I would trade like 40 contracts on my personal account, I got a phone call from the actual broker, and they're like, "Hey, you know, do you want to trim some of this size? You know, you're sitting pretty heavy right now." So to have 40 contracts, you know, trading 40 contracts and to be $200,000, $300,000 in the hole. Yeah, I don't know, man. And especially holding it overnight too. Very sus. Very sus. I don't think she mainly trades props. Bitch, she never traded prop before. She can't get funded. Tory trades can't get funded to save her life. She can't get funded. What do you mean she don't trade props? I know she don't trade props because she can't get funded. Depends on the account size. If it's big, you could hold a negative 250K. I mean, how big is her account? $1 million? $1 million? I doubt it. I fucking doubt it. Sean O said she showed her account. It was only 300K. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So many questions, so little time. We got about 11 minutes here till market opens. PW, why don't you swing trade? ALX, I do swing trade. Just not futures. If I'm gonna swing trade, I'm gonna trade like QQQ or equities. All right, push it back up here into the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. We've got this 21 EMA up there next. Can we push up and then sell off here at open? Like I said, we have this kind of key level on the bigger time frames, right? This key level here, daily chart, kind of like 23,044. After that, 22,800 down there. This is a pretty big drop so far. So we'll see how it goes. But if you're just now tuning in, I'm up $11,000. I showed the trade live earlier, taking profit. That bear flag played out beautifully there. Up 11,700 in my personal cash account. I definitely can't. If I was down $200,000, that would it wouldn't work. I don't have enough money for that. Because you have a margin requirement as well. So like on 40 contracts, what's the margin requirement? What's the margin requirement on palladium? On platinum? Trades by Slade took the bear flag. Fuck yeah, you did, motherfucker. Why don't you short now, PW? Well, I'm just waiting for a market to open up. We got 9 minutes. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. Ooh, 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 ooh. Gonna be fired up. It's the final and last day, by the way, for 90% off Apex. 90% off Apex. That's right. Do we have another bear flag? Kind of looking like that. Kind of looking like that, to be honest. I think we gotta go maybe down there, that 23,040 area. Big sell-off here so far. We're down about 300 points overnight. So about a 300-point move to the downside right now. Oh, Lord. All right, Razor123 said that Tory would have needed $220,000 for total maintenance requirement on those platinum contracts. I don't know, man. Interesting. PW, what's the name of your indicator? My pivot point indicator. Very simple. Pivot point standard. Pivot point standard. Pivot point standard. Right there. Pivot point standard. Pivot point standard. Pivot point standard. How was your birthday? Birthday was good. We celebrated the birthday at the BDH, remember? It won't show pivot points today. No pivot points today on the smaller time frames because of Monday. Monday issues there, so. Putting Ruben in a timeout. We're putting Ruben in a timeout. We don't need any drama today. Let's make some money today. We can sit around talking about different prop firms and issues and opinions after the market closes. Let's focus on making money first, and then we can all sit around and argue about what prop firm is best. How about that? You know what I mean? That's our best bet. How was New York? New York was great. Thanks for asking, GG King. Is Apex legit? I mean, they paid out millions and 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 millions. They paid out more than any prop firm in the entire world. If you combine Like 5 of the top prop firms, if you combine all their payouts, Apex has still paid out more. So everybody can hate on Apex all you want, right? Apex, they suck, blah, blah, blah. But if Apex was really that terrible, why would they pay out so much money? You know, I get it. There's obviously people out there that are not happy, that have issues with Apex, blah, 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 which is totally fine. We're in a free world, right? It's a free world. You can choose where you want to go spend money at. But at the end of the day, the truth is that Apex has paid out more than any other prop firm in the space. So, Christy Barbu said, why did Apex send me no more evaluation message? Maybe you made too much money. I don't know. Kelly, there's no pivot points today. Kelly Gorman, no pivot points because of Monday being a closed market, or market not being open on Monday. Are you gonna trade 20 Apex accounts to try to beat the record? Maybe. I gotta get them funded first. The game plan for open. I mean, right now the trend is down, down, down. But the question is, are the shorts going to continue hammering short down here at the lows right now? You know? $1 million question, right? Everybody wants to know. When are the female traders going to come to the BDH? The end of the month, September, end of September. We've got 2 female women. We got 2 female women coming to the BDH, baby. Hey, at the BDH. Oh, man. We got 4 minutes here till market opens. 4 minutes. Patrick, what do you think about gold? I don't trade gold. I don't look at gold. I don't think about gold. I don't care about anything but the Nasdaq. Everybody be like, Patrick, what do you think about this? Patrick, what do you think about Pokemon? Patrick, what do you think about blue skies? Patrick, what do you think about this? Patrick, what do you think about this? I don't think about nothing. I think about how much money am I gonna make today? That's all I'm thinking about. Did you take a long? No, I'm flat right now. God, everybody freaking out. Who are the women coming to the BDH? They're wild women. Some trading influencers, I guess. Trading the Apex accounts at open, maybe. Definitely looking a little bear flaggy right now. Would love to see that just straight down move at open, maybe. Like I said, we have support down here, 23,040, 2360 area. We had a 3-day weekend. We'll see if the chat is gonna get paid. Could dip down there, take out that 60, then rip back up, maybe. I don't know. Right now, we're looking at the 1 minute chart. 5 minute chart back down there now. It's time to party either way. We got less than a minute, people. Less than a minute till market opens. Less than a minute. We got the ES, everything, the Nasdaq, everything's kind of bearish as fuck right now. So 30 seconds. Well, let's see what happens here at open. Woo. I'll just go in all in short there. Right to the 60s. 13 seconds. All right, market is open. So far, dipping. Dipping there real nice. Down to the lows now. We got that 40 area down there. Support down here at the lows now. Big sell-off overnight. I would expect some type of little pushback up here, right? It would just make some sense that there'd be a little bit of a push back up after this big selling pressure overnight, but we'll have to see. Down there to the 40s now. Straight down here. Oh my Lord. I'm gonna try a long here. Let's see if we can't get a little pushback up. Only one contract in per account, so let's ride it. I mean, there's really, this should be a bounce area. But I've been wrong before. This is Apex 20 accounts with Apex 300K accounts. Still holding there at the lows. I'm going to add one more here at the 30s. Try to get a push back up towards that 100 area. Maybe more. Looking for like 80, 90s, maybe 100, maybe a little bit more. Yes, yes, chat. Yes, chat. Yes. Take a little bit of profit there at the 80s. We got 40 contracts long here off the lows. We got 20 Apex accounts. Need to get filled here at the 80s, and then let's see if we can't get up there towards the hundreds next. Long off these lows. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't pull back on me. Need some buyers to step in. Where are the buyers at? Where are all the buyers at, chat? Beautiful. We'll take some more here at the 95s just to lock that in because of the trailing drawdown, right? Thank you very much, chat. Thank you very much. That's 40 points, 50 points. All right, if you're wondering why I like that for a long, you might be wondering, Patrick, why'd you get long down there? Well, first off, I need more likes here on the stream, right? And I'll tell you exactly why I got long there. I'll tell you exactly why I got long there at the fucking low. All right, let's talk about it. We gotta get more likes. We got 6,000 people watching right now. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Look at the market. It's up, it's down. It's up, it's down. All right. Pull up the hourly chart here. What do we got? We've got this support level right there. 43s, 43s. It's hard to not get long at the 23,000 43s, isn't it? Isn't it real? That would be, you know, it'd be like, that'd be hard to not do it. Look at this squeeze back up now. Let's fucking go, boys. What a fucking move. What a move. Oh my God. I'm up $20,000 in my live account. I'm up almost $40,000 in my Apex accounts. Oh my Lord, we're doing this so lovely. Look at that, rip back up now. Oh my God. God damn it, boys. That's 100 points from the lows now. That's 100 points from the lows. What a time to be alive. I mean, if it gets above this 120 area, or like 140, should start to squeeze back up. I'm gonna try a long here. Try to get a pop above that 140 area, back up there, 149s, maybe more. Just kind of ride this momentum here if we can get above this little stop there at the 130s. Get above that 130 area here. Rip it up there, Nasdaq. Rip it through the 40s here. There we go. There we go, daddy. Up there to the 40s now. You know you want to go to the 49s. You know you want to get to the 49s, chat. You know you want to. You know you want to do it with me. Get it up there. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Flirting with my target here. Flirting with my target. We're flirting with the targets. Oh. Nasdaq, you know you want it. You know you want it, Nasdaq. You know you want it. Hey. Nasdaq wants it. She loves it. She needs it. I'll take some more of it. There you go, chat. There you go, chat. There you go. I do it for you free on YouTube. Live. Free on the YouTube. Live every day. Live on YouTube. Doing it live. We just locked in some massive profits here. It's not even been 5 minutes yet. Well, it's been 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Massive profits. We're up. I can't even count. I can't even count, chat. I can't even count right now. I made too much money. I did not pass the Apex accounts yet. No. I've got 20. I got a way to go still. I got a way to go. I got a way to go here. I probably should just went all in long at the lows. That would have been the smarter move, wouldn't it have been? Wouldn't that have been? That would have been the smarter move, probably, just to go all in at the longs, on the longs down there. They're 300K accounts with Apex. They are like my kryptonite. They're the hardest accounts to pass. You got a $7,500 drawdown, and like you got to be fucking on it, man. Hold on 1 second, chat. I'm looking at something real quick. I gotta look at something real quick. Oh, God. All right, focus, chat. Now what? Now what? Now what? Now what? We got the opening range coming up here. Get this we have a 5-minute opening range breakout potential. If we get above that 140, ooh, we're already back above 140s here. QQQ gap above and below. ES is down at the lows right now. I don't like that the ES is down at the lows here. Not sure exactly. I don't know how that makes me feel, but it's making me feel a certain type of way. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. Oh, buddy, I love being green on them. I feel like today's Monday, right? Today is a Monday, right? We're gonna call it Monday. It's Tuesday, but really it's like a Monday. We're gonna call it Mega Money Mondays. Locking in $20,415 there in my cash account, my cash funded, whatever the fuck you want to call it. It's like weird, like it's my own account. It's my real money account. So let's go. What a time. So Nasdaq pushing through the opening range high right here. Or I guess we still got 4 minutes for the 15-minute range. But I did set this for the 5-minute range. I was going to try the 5-minute range today. Just for fun, you know, just for shits and giggles. So yeah, 5-minute range played out beautifully. We kind of already played the 5-minute range there, didn't we? So 5-minute range already played out. Let's see what happens with the 15-minute range now. 20K, that's gas money for you. Well, sorry, Sports Dawn. I'll do better next time, I guess. I don't fucking, what do you want me to say? Patrick, you only made $20,000? You suck. That's just gas money. Well, you know, I gotta pay for gas somehow. We got news at 9:45. 9:45 news here. 3 minutes until, well, 2 minutes till the news comes out. Money, 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 money. Kraft and Heinz spinoff. Oh no. It's pretty funny. Kraft and Heinz combined, and now they're gonna break off again. The fuck is going on in this world? What's going on in this world, chat? What kind of news? I think it's news about Tory Trades. She's gonna come clean about everything. She's gonna finally tell everybody the truth. Gonna finally tell everybody this whole time that really her name is Victor. And she's a man. Wouldn't that be a real fucking, you know, little Uno Reverso card. Hey everybody, it's Victoria. It's Victor Trades here. Odysseus said the average annual salary of a person is $25,000. Well, shit, my friend. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Kind of just holding up here. ES is, it's all like, You know, it's just kind of like, well, I don't know. ES is kind of like bear flagging. Nasdaq's kind of bull flagging. Who's gonna win? ES looks like it has a little bit more room to the downside here. Huh. Huh. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have an answer for you. Looks like I think we're gonna go higher here. We got news coming out here, or the news just came out, or it's coming out right now, or it already came out. I don't fucking know. Yeah, 9:45. We had a little bit of news, PMI news or something. Fuck. I thought about maybe getting long right here. Now I'm kind of chasing it. I would have been wanting to have been long at like the 60 area for this push to the 180s there. There she goes. PMI news at 10 o'clock. Oh, lordy, lordy. I still can't believe that I got long at the 36s. Look at that. Oh my God. That's 150 points off the lows now. Anybody else get long at open? Anybody else get long at open there? Oh my Lord. That was too good. He's too good, chat. Too fucking good. All right, we got the opening range set up now. Opening range high right now, the 180 level. We got 23,100 to the downside there. Well, let's see which way she goes now for the Nasdaq. If we get the push, or we get the pushy push, 23,180s right there. Opening range high now. See, the problem, I just feel like the ES is really bringing the Nasdaq down here right now. ES is just kind of stuck there. James. You think that Tory Trades is smoking hot? James. That's just wrong. She is not hot. What are you talking about? Ew. 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 Bro, she only time you ever see her is with a bunch of makeup on in front of a camera with lights. Relax, bro. Just imagine what she would look like with no lights and no cameras and no fucking makeup. Oh my God. Ugh. Y'all crazy. If you think Tory Trades is hot, what do you think about my girlfriend? God, I feel like my Victoria is like 10 times hotter, so. Alan said he saw in her bikini. Well, look at my girlfriend in bikini and compare, okay? Compare. All right, Nasdaq above. We got a little bit of news coming out here at 10 o'clock. We're up $20,000 on the day right now. We absolutely crushed the open so far. So I'm not trying to do anything stupid here. Obviously, I want to make more money, but just being patient. Enrique said, bro, I'm sorry. Your girl is not that hot. Enrique, I'll give you $1 million right now to send me a photo of your girl. Hey, Enrique, I would love to see your fat little torta. Your little fucking chalupa. Send a photo of her, Enrique. Come on, Enrique. Send your little fucking torta. Let me see her. Let me see her. Your little fucking bean burrito. Let me see your little bean burrito, Enrique. Market's still going higher, breaking out of the 15-minute range. Damn it, dog. From the 150s now up there to the 219s. Oh my lord, Nasdaq ripping up here. Ripping right now. What the fuck? Your girl is basically tits on a stick. Okay, Enrique, let me see your girl. Stop talking about my girl and let's talk about your girl, okay? Don't talk about my girl, talk about your girl. Nvidia ripping higher right now. Up there with the 172s on Nvidia. The ES broke to the upside there. So the ES starting to push up. Nasdaq, a little bit of a pullback here. I like maybe a pull. What do we got? We still got news at 10 o'clock. I think maybe a little pullback to that 23,200 level. Maybe. For the longs. What do we think? What are we thinking, chat? 250 is 50% of the opening range here. Like I was saying earlier, man, the look at the 15-minute range, but look at it as a 5-minute range, right? Look at the 15-minute range, make it a 5-minute range, and look how beautiful this played out here today. It's impressive, honestly. Fucking A, chat. 5-minute range today, absolutely beautiful. Breaking out of the 15-minute, the 5-minute range this morning. So here's your first 5-minute, the opening range of the 5-minute range. 5-minute range, 5-minute range. Here's your opening range. And then ding, 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 ding. You got 50% targets on the way as well, so. What a time to be alive. I still can't believe that. Fucking. She just went long, 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 all the longy dongy. You know what I mean? Should have only went long, nothing more this morning. Well, I didn't go short, but went long. Kevin Sluter said, Patrick, I'm taking your course right now. Love how simple you keep it. This is coming from an ICT trader. Fuck. I can't imagine an ICT trader learning about a bull flag for the first time, you know? Like, just mind-blowing. Like, wait. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. You know, kind of like, hold on, Patrick. Hold on a second here. You're telling me? Oh my lord, the Nasdaq ripping the ES. Look at the ES right now on a fucking tear. ES trying to catch up to the Nasdaq now. ES did not break down to the downside, obviously. ES now back up there, 6,400s. So, see, like this, it's always like the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda, right? Coulda, shoulda, woulda, woulda, coulda, shoulda. I coulda, shoulda, woulda, woulda, woulda. I coulda, shoulda, woulda, woulda. But if you think about like this morning, all right, let's say I got long. Well, I did get long. I got long here at the 36s 40 level. I took profit here at the 90s, right? And like, could I have held for that entire move? I don't know. If I wouldn't have taken profit at the 90s and it would have pulled back and made a new low, everybody would have said I was retarded. You know, everybody would have been like, you're retarded, Patrick. You're so retarded. You would have, you know, like everybody would have made fun of me. Philip Boner's up 29,000. God damn. Corey Turner, hope your vacation was good. I told you I was coming back. Wait, what? What are you coming back for? Is Ruben still in timeout? No, I think he's out of timeout, but he might be upset with me. Ruben, are you there? Check, check. Ruben. Ruben, are you alive? All right, we got the VWAP up there, 290, 300 level. What the fuck? Why don't this go? Stop. Get rid of this. Like, I kind of want to get long here, but I kind of don't. If we pulled back, let's say we pull back into that 200 level and we tap that, and then maybe kind of look for another bull flag setup, might be a good idea. Kevin, he's up 4K. Let's go. Brain Fart's getting a payout. Damn. If some guy on YouTube named Brain Fart can get a payout, then hey, there's hope for everybody. There's hope for everybody, chat. There's hope for everybody. Enrique, you're the one that's been bashing a girl and talking about yours all morning. Let's keep talking about them. Let's talk about your fat little fucking chalupa. Enrique, shut up. Shut up, Enrique. Shut up. Shut up. Sit down. Nobody cares about your little chalupa, okay? With the cheese on the inside, little cheesy gordita. I would imagine Enrique's girlfriend looking like a little cheesy gordita. You know, little cheesy girl. She's very nice. You got a very nice personality. Great personality. Hey, car dealer. What should I get my son for his first car? Spend $1,000, no more. Buy him a $1,000 car, nothing more. If it breaks down, tell him to fucking fix it. If he don't take care of it and it breaks down, say, welcome to life, bro. Welcome to the real world. That's what I would say. Why do you look ginger, Patrick? I think I was born like this. I don't fucking know. What? Miss Vetcher spent $5,000 on the kid's first car and then spent $5,000 later. Yeah, well, see, that's the problem. That's the problem. All right, there's the news. Oh, she's kind of pumping. She's kind of pumping. I'm gonna try this pump here, boys. I'm gonna try the little pump. See if we can't get up there towards the 300s. Pumpity pumping. Ooh! Ooh, daddy! Get to that VWAP level, baby. Will you take me higher? Like a butterfly in the sky. Will you take me higher? Like a butterfly in the sky. All right, a little bit of trouble here at the 80s. No. A little bit more, Nasdaq. Don't do that on me. Don't do that on me, Nasdaq. Don't pull back on me. Oh, you little bastard. You little bastard. You a bad girl, Nasdaq. Bad girl. Just like Enrique's girl. Nasdaq's being a little torta. Little chalupa right now. No, it's gonna happen. I'm not getting trapped. Don't worry. It's gonna happen, chat. We're gonna hit that VWAP level. I think we got a very good chance of at least hitting that VWAP level. VWAP's being a nasty girl. Nasty girl. Or the Nasdaq. Wait, is the Nasdaq the girl or is the VWAP the girl? So many questions, so little time. When you buy a Lamborghini SVJ, I'm gonna buy a Subaru. I'm gonna go buy a brand new Subaru WRX. I'm selling all of my cars. I'm selling all of my cars and I'm buying a Subaru. True story. Not even joking right now. Y'all think I'm joking, but I'm serious. All right, little fake out to the upside there for now. We had some news come out. Oh, Lord. Little pullback here. Little pullback here, chat. I'm looking for maybe an ad at some point here. I like to add into this. Rips is saying that I'm not on his level. What level is that? He has one Ferrari. I've got one Ferrari, one Lamborghini, one McLaren, 4 Porsches, one Super Duty, one Raptor, one Bronco, $1 million boat. Why a Subaru? Well, I'm building a rally car. Nobody cares about your cars. Haha, I got him. I got Curtis. I got him, boys. That was a good little trap right there. If I start saying the name of my cars and then someone in the chat says something bad, then I just block them. Got him. I got him. Get out of here, Curtis. Got him. This is my song right now. Zaruma, King of Beasts, said, when I see your girlfriend, all I see is nothing but bones. Well, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. She definitely got more than bones. She got 2 big old titties. Clearly you're not looking at the right part, bro. She might have some bones, but she got some big old titties. Brain fart got short, target 205. Fuck you, brain fart. God damn it, brain fucking fart. Trying to get up in here, fucking my shit right now, dog. Damn, is some guy named Brain Fart gonna win this trade right now? Fuck. Are you back to trading on Apex? I wouldn't say I'm back, but I'm trying it. It's been a while since I've traded 20 accounts at one time, to be honest. Well, guess what, Brain Fart? I'm gonna add it to 205, so. Fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. You got yourself. 5-minute chart not looking too hot right now, but I like it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, chat. It's okay. Don't get worried. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing's gonna be alright, girl. Don't worry. Let's pull back, test that opening range high, maybe. I have the 300K account with Apex right now. Boo-boo. We're holding up with those EMAs for now. I think even if I can add down here, I'd be okay with that. All right, let's see if we can swipe the 200 level. I might be looking to add on that dip there. Let's see. Zaruma, will you get the fuck out of here? Worry about my girlfriend being too skinny. Go fuck whatever fat bitch you want. I don't give a fuck. I don't sit here and tell you that you fuck fat girls. God. Victoria, gain some weight. Zaruba said you're too skinny. Oh Lord, this is going downtown real quick, boys. Looking for this swipe of the 200s. 180 level, maybe. Well, if we push up back above the high of these candles, I'm going to add above this 35 level. I'll add there. I have 20 accounts. Relax, people. It's one contract per account. Why is everybody so worried about what I'm doing? God. Guys, it's 20 accounts. It's only it's only $500 per account. Looking for a possible add here. If we break these previous candle highs, kind of like through here now. If I don't break it, then I'm not adding. Can always add lower. Still have the GT500, yes. Yes, I do. I'm actually picking up today. I took the wrap off of it. Brain fart, stop it. Stop talking about it going lower. God. Brain fart's trying to fuck up my day here. I might get out of this trade. Let me see. If we start to if we lose this low, I'm gonna get out for now. Oh, let me see. Not looking too good. I don't like that close. I'm gonna get out for now. And I can always re-enter. I just don't want it to start to roll off through 200s. Yeah, we're down there to the thing now. Hold for a month. Okay. I'm gonna go long, guys, and I'll see you all next month. I'll see y'all next month, okay? Down there through the 200s. Damn it, brain fart. God damn it, brain fart. I still think the longs are going to step in here at some point. Just kind of watching. There's that little 200 bounce. There's that little 200 bounce there. Hey, Patrick, you got all this money for cars, but a personal trainer now. Frozen face memes. Hey, anytime you want, I'll give you my address. You can come to the BDH and I'll knock you the fuck out. I would love to see you in real life. Anytime you want. Don't worry, I'm not afraid. I want to see how strong you are in real life. Anytime you want, buddy boy. Anytime. Anytime you want, buddy. There's that little pushback up here. Fuck, I should have just held that long. Garage Boys, how green am I? I'm up $21,650 on the day right now. Trouble here again at the 220s. We're right there at those EMAs now. Nvidia's pulling back. I might take a short here. That rejection at the 220s, but just waiting. Why would you even be bothered fighting idiots? I'm not bothered. I just know that anybody in the chat who says that I'm fat, I would knock the fuck out. One punch. One hitter quitter. Hey, 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 hey. Hey! Like this. Ah! 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 My zipper's down. The snake was trying to get out. The snake was trying to get out, chat. It was trying. All right, Nasdaq, push it back up here. I'm going in. I'm fucking jacked to the tits right now. I'm going in 40 contracts long. YOLO in the Rolos. I might even add into this. I might. I'm looking for 300s. VWAP area, 280s. 300s. Patrick, you don't have any hands. You wear thong sandals. Motherfucker. I want you to, yeah. Come say it to my face. Come say it to my face. Fucking retards. Imagine going on YouTube and then writing into the chat and talking shit and being like, huh, you know what I mean? You're like, you fucking loser. Oh my God, we just got dumped there at the 240s. That's not good. Uh-oh, chat. That's not good. Y'all just fucked me. Ooh. Oh my Lord. Someone's tweeting. Who's tweeting right now? What time is it? 10:15. Just absolutely deny there at the 240s again. Ouchies. All right, now we go in 80 or 120 contracts short, and we're gonna ride this on down. 23,200. All in short. No way. No way. No way, chat. There's no way this doesn't go lower, right? Yeah, these are Apex 300K accounts. Oh my Lord. I hate these accounts. I hate them. I really, really do. They're not blown yet. They're still here. If we break that 200 level, we're sitting pretty. Just need to break through the 200s. Oh. The chop is real. Oh no, we're good. We're coming back. Pump it through the 200s. Give me 40 points through the 200s right now, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. Give me 20. Give me 40. Give me 60. Give me 100. Give me 1,000,000. $165 target. Brain fart. Calling it out. All right, let's go, brain fart. I'm with you, brother. I'm with you, brother. I'm with my brain fart. Nvidia moving down. Nasdaq stuck there at the 200s. Oh, come on. Wow. Wow. Just chop city here. What a joke. What a joke. Oh, is it gonna pump now? Like, no, right? It ain't gonna pump right now, is it? Oh. Dude, I'm out. All right, we're going all in here. 100, 200 contracts. We can't lose now. It's got to pump. It's got to pump or we're done. It's over for us. It's got to pump, boys. It's got to pump here. It's got to pump. Through the 240s quickly. Got to pump it. Got to pump it. It's got to pump it. Break the 240s. Oh. Not again. Not again, chat. I can't live like this anymore. Why? 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 I want to see a push to this 260s maybe. Need Nvidia to stay alive here. Come on, Nvidia, pump it up here. Pump it up. 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 Oh. I'm going P. I thought me going P would work. I really did. I thought it would work, chat. No way. No way. No way. No way. Why? I get into a 220 contract trade and the market goes nowhere. Why? Why me? Why me? Why does it happen to me? Why me? Why me? Why? Why does it happen to me? Why does it happen to me? Why does it happen to me? Why does it happen to me, chat? All right, I'm gonna lock it all in right there. Oh, God. I'm over it. Hey, everybody in the chat can shut the fuck up. Everybody in the chat, just shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up. Everybody shut the fuck up. I love the people in the chat that are like, Patrick, you only make money. You only make money because you're an affiliate. Yeah, it's the only reason. Okay, buddy. No problem. Whatever you say, buddy. So on the day today, in my live cash account, how much did we make today? I don't know. Let's see. Total trades, $21,650. This is a real money account. Real money account, chat. Real money. Look, we made, oh, it's still going higher. There's that 5-minute I told you, 220. We're going to the 300s. Told you. I told you. It's Optimus Futures. Optimus Futures is who I use for my real money account. Oh, God. Oh, God. All right, so you can see here today, we got some Apex 20K. Sorry, these are 300K accounts. So we need to make some more money. We up to 5,000 on the day P&L times 20. Do the math. If you're retarded, do the math. 20 times 5. Do the math. Okay, do the math. Mike J, how are the Apex? I just showed you. That's how they're doing. Right now, we're up 5,000. Sean, I said it was Apex. I mean, even if I had a live, even if I was funded, like had PA accounts, I would still trade that 200 contracts. That's only 10 contracts per account. All right, so we put in a higher low here. Now the bears could start to come in and this could start to move back down. Anybody getting short here? You must not have intraday trailing. Javon. How the fuck why would I not have intraday trailing? Like, what are you talking about? You think Apex has made me an account? They're like, hey, Patrick, don't worry. No intraday trailing for you. Don't worry, Patrick. Are we trying another short here? What do we think? We're just holding up above the opening range high right now. Do I get free accounts? I cannot say. I cannot say, okay? I cannot say. I cannot say. I cannot say. I cannot say. What are we thinking, chat? Short? Wrong or short? Wrong or short? Long or short? Brain fart said short to 165. Oh, fuck. All right, 58% of the chat are saying short. 43% said go long. Fuck. Fuck. Do I listen to the chat? Let's do it. We're going short. I want to try to add into this up to the 220s as well. So we'll try to go for another like 200 contracts again. If we lose on the trade, the chat can't, you cannot talk shit if we lose on the trade because you guys told me to get short, okay? So don't even try to talk shit. You are a fucking gambler, bro. Yes, I'm a gambler, everybody. Hey, my name is Patrick Wieland. I like to gamble. Every day I wake up in the morning and I gamble. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, a little bit of trouble here. Can we get stuck there at the 220s and make a new low through this 190 area down there to the 160s next? We got 60 contracts short. I don't know why people are like, what do you want from me? I'm a YouTuber, bro. I can sit here on YouTube and just like play around I'm not a real person, you know? Like I'm not like a real trader. I'm like a Fugazi. I might not even be real. I might be AI. Think about that, right? Like you don't think enough, do you? You don't use your little brains. Like think about it. Be like, wait, how do I know Patrick Wieland's not even, he might not even be real. What if he created an AI? You know? Think about that. Exactly. People don't think enough. They need to think more. People need to think more, man. We need more thinking happening in the world. All right, we're short here from the 220s. We need it. Oh, God. Billy. If we start to break through 200, I'm going to add into this. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, we're going to add into that. God damn it, chat. It's the chat's fault. I told you, if I lose on this trade, it's the chat's fault. And it might be the chat's fault here. Wow. So much for listening to the fucking chat. And this is why you guys, everybody gets mad and be like, Patrick. Oh, well, there you go. Thanks for that, chat. Thanks so much. I'm out. Okay, I'm all in. All in long for 300 contracts. Let's see what happens, chat. Let's see what happens here. Can we get to the VWAP? God damn it, chat. Go to the VWAP already. Push through the 60 area. Get me up there towards the 280s. I need a little bit more out of it though. Don't stop right here, Nasdaq. Oh my Lord. Don't stop right there, Nasdaq. Don't do it. Oh, what a joke. What a joke. Brain fart. Bro, you just fucked me. You just told me to get short and the market went up. I'm not giving you any more advice on life. Never again, brain fart. No questions will be answered here for you ever again. Everybody's saying that I'm a gambler. Yes, I'm a gambler. Like, welcome to the gambling show. Okay. Fucking A. This is fucked. We're about to get fucking lose these accounts. God damn it. Don't worry. I'll go buy some more. And we're about to get stopped. Wow. God damn it, chat. That sucks. For what? You know what I mean? Like, just what a joke. Ugh. Fucking trailing loss. Got me. Market is going nowhere now. Just blowing fucking accounts here. Just blowing accounts. I got one more. Let's try one more here long. Put 20 contracts. We're gonna go for 20 grand profit to see if we can pass this account. It's gotta, we gotta get up there to the 300 level. Eric, you didn't, if I would have gotten long, I wouldn't have lost. I would have made all that money. That's 20 Apex accounts blown. It sucks. It's because the worst part is, like, they're not even really blown. It's like we were up like 7,000 and then gave it all back on that fucking chop there. So whatever. Ugh, just cannot even hit it. Just chop city here, baby. The worst part about buying Apex accounts is it takes so long to buy them. Like, it takes me for, you know, like, it takes you an hour to buy 20 accounts. Fuck. It's the worst, man. Ugh. I hate it. Mouse Recorder Pro. That seems pretty cool. Try that out. Yeah, I've told them if they could just make it so that everybody just like click one button and you can buy 100,000 accounts would be sick. That'd be real sick. Market just chopping around here. Fucking A. We were up big. We should have just taken that. I'm an idiot for not taking 10 points. Trying to break through here once again. Give me like 30 minutes while I buy more Apex accounts. 90% off, YOLO. Oh, man. What's the profit target for a 300K account? Is it 25K or is it 20K? 25K or 20K for the profit target? Anybody? All right, somebody said if I press back button twice, then I don't have to re-enter everything. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, brah, I think it might work. Let me see. No, it doesn't work now. It kind of works, but it's, I don't know. Back button twice. It kind of works, but it's like, I don't know if it's faster or slower, honestly. Oh my God, I hate these. There's that fucking move up. Why the fuck did I get short? Because brain fart. What a fuck, I'm a retard. Like, fucking brain fart. Patrick, short. I didn't even want to get short. The chat said to get short. And then look, and here I am. I was killing it, not listening to the chat. What a terrible idea. I know, I trusted you because I was like, well, let me see, you know. Good job. Good job, chat. We got a nice bear bull flag here. 5-minute chart trying to break out that VWAP there next. VWAP's at the 282s. Well, Nasdaq is holding up here, going nowhere quickly. Well, the market is just absolutely stuck here for now. Below the VWAP there. Trouble. Below the EMAs, everything's flat right now. Buying my accounts, man. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Zod FX, what is PW doing right now? What's the strategy? We're waiting for something to happen. Zod FX, what's your strategy right now? Like, it's just waiting. That's all we're doing, just waiting. We're stuck in a range right now. 180s, 250s. Good time to just be patient. Good time to be patient. All right, down there to the 200s once again. Maybe after 11 o'clock something good happens. I don't know. Right now we had this beautiful little pushback up and just kind of chopping around here at the 200s for now. ES is looking weak. Nasdaq's looking weak. Through the 200s there. 186s. You got the middle of this 15-minute range. Puts us like down there, 23,100s maybe. Nvidia's selling down. 169s. Nvidia kind of pumped this up and now I think bringing us down. So bringing us down now. Should have stayed short there. All right, we're at the bottom of the range now. Can we go lower? Can I explain the 15-minute range? Basically, there's the first 15 minutes of market open every day. It creates a range. First 15-minute candle, basically. So that's the range, baby. Move down here into the 130s, kind of test this area next. All right, we're kind of like drifting down here. Not really, they're not really speeding up yet. I thought they would speed up a little bit quicker through the 170s, get down there maybe 150, 160s, but right now just kind of holding that fine line. Nvidia's almost down there to the opening lows right now. Nvidia down there, the 169s, but Nasdaq is kind of holding up here for now, 180s. Need to lose this 170 support there. I think if we lose 170, it should start to move down quicker. Watch that 170 area, chat. There's the 170s. Can we go down there to that yellow line next? Oh yeah, there's that speed up. Real nice, real nice. There's that 160, that low was 154. I feel like we could test that 130 area. All right, 70s down there to the 152s. I am short from the 88s right now. Looking for this move down here. Can we get it? Look for like that 30 area. Real nice, real nice. Oh, buddy. I'm loving it. I am loving it right now. Oh, yeah, buddy. Need that 130 area here next. Come on, a little bit lower, chat. A little bit lower. I want to get through this 150 area here. You see my short there. I got 2 contracts left. 2 contracts left here, trying to get this move down. This is my real money account. Real money account here. Guys, I said if we break through the 170s, looking for this move down. Did no one listen to me? Nobody listens to me. Nobody listens to me ever. I'm gonna try to get another fill right here at 147, and that way I only have 1 contract left. This is my real account, Optimus Futures. Optimus Futures, my real money account. This is not a prop firm account. No eval, no bullshit. Just real money. How's the P&L looking? Bro, you guys are people are obsessed. People are obsessed with my P&Ls. Everybody's so obsessed with my P&L. If I get 1,000 likes on the stream, I'll show you my P&L. JK. I don't make any money. I'm a scam. I never make no money. I'm a terrible, terrible trader. Terrible trader. Terrible trader. The problem with Quant Tower is that it has my address. So I'm trying to, so you can see right now we're up $21,420. This is a real money live account, active live and all that fun stuff. So oh, a little bounce right there, huh? A little bounce right there, huh? Maybe build on a little bear flag. I'm gonna see, maybe move this down a little bit more. Give us some room here. I got one contract left. I trade 10 contracts in the personal money account, the real money account. All right, we got stuck there at the EMA. At this 150s now. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. Looking at the 5-minute chart here. I'm short right now from the 23,192.99s. Am I still up a lot? Yes, on the day we're up $21,000. Yeah, see, I've got my new Apex accounts. A little push back up here. Nvidia did not make a new low. Nvidia held that 169 area, so looks like Nasdaq finding some support here for now. It's gonna be really hard to pass those 300K accounts. Like now when this volatility is just like not really moving. You really you need volatility so that you don't get caught with that trailing loss. Like that would be my one piece of advice. If you're gonna trade the Apex accounts, the combine, the evals, with the trailing drawdown, you really need like you know, some good movement there. Am I planning on passing the Apex accounts today? We'll see, maybe after 11 o'clock if something good happens, but let's get this move down. Come on, Nasdaq. It sucks because you can't really, like, the P&L thing on, I gotta get Ginger to buy more accounts. Oh, God. Still just kind of holding up there now. When you're funded with Apex, do you push it to the buffer as fast as possible? Basically. Trade for Choice says that he lost his account because of me. Well, I don't remember pressing the button for you, but you know, whatever you say, bro. Nobody cries and complains when I give a good trade, you know? I love the people in the chat, like this guy ZodFX. He's gonna sit here and be like, hey guys, don't you guys know that Patrick is just trying to get you to blow your accounts? Don't you know that? Hey everybody, don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know? That's all he's trying to do is get you to blow your accounts. Don't you know that? You know? Patrick, I lost my subscription to OnlyFans because of you. I spent my last dollar on an Apex eval, and now I can't pay for the Tory Trades OnlyFans. I mean the OnlyFans account. Oh, Patrick, why did you do this? Patrick, why? Why did you make me lose my OnlyFans account? Now I can't afford to pay it. Why would Oh, Lord. NQ Trader said, get short now. Okay, I'm already short, NQ Trader, so sounds good to me. Oh, I think here in 2 minutes, something's gonna happen. Let's see, we gotta get this. After the 11 o'clock candle. Come on, 11 o'clock candle, do something for me. ES is looking weak. I need a water. Watch my trade. Chat, don't let it go up. Whatever you do, don't let it go up. Everybody just keep watching. Well, Nasdaq is clearly going nowhere for now. We're kind of building out a bear flag here, right? We're building out a little bit of a bear flag. Kind of doing the head and shoulders type thing here. What do we got? If you look at the bigger time frame, go to like the 30-minute chart. Down there into the middle of that 15-minute range for now. A little push back up here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. One-hour chart. The low of that hourly candle is 137, so now looking like a little bit of a pushback up here, maybe. Kind of retest some of this. Ugh. Nasdaq wants my stop. It wants my live account stop. That's in the money. I'm short from the 99s. I got one contract left here at the 86 to get covered if I do. So can always get short again later, but for now, looks like Nvidia and the rest of the market kind of popping back up here for now. Why did you not enter with the Apex accounts? Because I was buying more accounts. It takes time to buy them. Delete the stop so it can't get got. No! Don't do it! I guess it will pump, somebody said. Are you 100% sure it's gonna pump? Or how much? How much? I don't know why y'all think it's funny that I blew 20 account. I blew one account. I was copy trading 20, so it's not like I blew 20 accounts. I was copy trading all of the accounts together. So like, who really cares? You know what I mean? Like, what are you talking about? Patrick, I can't believe you blew those accounts. Oh, I blew 20. Oh, terrible. I'm terrible. I just don't understand. I just don't understand it. Like, what would motivate someone to want to go on YouTube, watch me day trade, and sit here and talk shit? I just don't get it. Like, what are you, like, you got nothing else going on in your life? You got nothing else to do? You know, like, you got nothing else to do here? You woke up this morning and you were like, man, I gotta go make sure I tell Patrick he sucks. Hey, again, everybody who, if you don't like it, you ain't gotta watch it. You know? You ain't gotta watch it, people. I don't get it. It's insanity. Like, there's some real fucking weirdos out there. You got fucking fat fuckers calling me fat. You got fucking idiots calling my girlfriend's fat. My girlfriend's skinny. Oh, my girlfriend's too skinny. Oh, she's got too big of boobs. Oh, she's got this. Like, it's just like, dude. What do you got? What do you do? Like, what does your life look like? You know, it's fucking, it is, what is it? Fucking 11 o'clock on a Tuesday. And that's all you got? Like, you got nothing else to talk about? Then talk about my life? Talk about what my problems are? What you think? I just don't understand it. It's just crazy to me. Crazy. Just crazy people. Everybody wants to know, what will I do if I don't win? I guess no one's gonna know. You know? Everybody always asks me, they say, Patrick, what are you gonna do if you don't win? And I said, I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know, chat. I guess we'll never know. You know? People be like, Patrick, what you gonna do? Patrick, what you gonna do? And I'd be like, you know?
I know he's gonna wild out and he's gonna do something crazy. Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Think about that. I guess everybody wants to know.
I know he's gonna wild out and he's gonna do something. Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
You know, it's just like, it's that simple. I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. We're just never gonna know. We will never know. You know? I have one more I have one more in my life than most people will ever. I could die tomorrow. 37 years old, dead. Just die. And guess what? I still had done more than everybody else in the chat. All right, Nasdaq starting to roll over here. Passive profit vault master. Can you say one thing on the positive? Yes. You're allowed to say one thing positive, nothing else, sir. Modesty. Hey, Smoke Burp. When you win as much as I do, there's no reason to be modest. Because it's just stating the facts. You know? We're just stating the facts. Just keep winning. So fucking much. It hurts. I just guess we'll never know. I got my new shirt. BDH. BDH, baby. BDH. BDH. Fuck. All right, what do we got? What do we got? I'm watching, like, I think kind of drifting down here to this 100 level, middle of that 15-minute range. Might be a slow grind down there. Nvidia still looking weak, below the 170s. I think as long as Nvidia stays below 170, Nasdaq should kind of just drift lower. Garage Boys, do you want to get banned for life? Cool with me, bro. Dude. Like, what's the joke? You guys notice that he's only trading his live account now? Y'all notice that? Hey, y'all notice that? Hey, does everybody notice that? Hey, does everybody notice? Does everybody notice it? Does everybody notice? Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Does everybody notice? Did y'all notice? Did y'all notice? Hey, did y'all notice? Hey, everybody, did you just notice? Hey, did you notice? Hey, y'all notice? Oh. All right, Nasdaq just kind of holding up here at the 140 area, going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly. We're getting stuck at the EMAs there on the one. Had a little bear flag on the 1 minute chart kind of play out there again. Back up to the top of the opening range high. Kind of broke down here once again. I think I'm just kind of looking for this 23,100 area, the middle of that 15-minute range to get tapped. So I am short. I'm long in my pants, but I'm short in my trading account, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean, chat? Y'all know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean? Jedi said, I'm so glad I found this foo, PW. Fuck yeah, Jedi. I'm glad you found me too, bro. Imagine if you found Tory Trades. Imagine if that was your mentor. You know, just imagine that. That would be scary. Be very scary. All right, I'm gonna move this stop here. We'll say kind of to the top of this 5-minute candle there. Right? 155 area. We're short from the 99s. Looking for the hundreds here, but I don't want to give back 40 points. So let's get this break to the downside, chat. Bow, 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 bow. If it was going up, it would have already. Well, fuck. That, my friend, is there's never been a better. Fuck, that's the truth right there. Everybody, don't, if it can't go up, I know what's gonna happen next. It's gonna go down. If it can't go up, then it's gotta go down. Oh, ride the waves, man. Woo, 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 woo. Fuck it, eh? Or it just goes nowhere. Maybe that as well. Maybe it just goes nowhere. You know, that could also be a possibility as well. There's nowhere trade. Okay, here we go. Give me that 100 area. Give me, oh, 20s. Break that 20 area. Break that 20 area there, chat. Pretty Catlick says, my wife can't stand Tory or Pat. Obnoxious in their own special way. Well, trust me, Pretty Catlick. I bet your wife could stand me in bed when she sees how big my 3-inch dick is. Tell her that. You tell her that. She'll stand me in bed. She might not like me on YouTube, but she gonna like me in the bedroom. They don't call it the BDH for nothing. Hey, honestly though, how funny were those midgets? How funny were those midgets? That shit was hilarious. Did y'all think that was funny, or was that like, was it too much? Ace said, his wife said Patrick is very, hey Ace, post a photo of your wife. I bet you won't. If I'm below average, I want to see what your wife looks like. I'll pay you $10,000. If your wife and me could be naked in the same room and she doesn't get aroused and I don't get aroused, I'll pay you $10,000. Okay? If your wife and if your wife and I, if we're in the same room and we're both butt naked and one of us doesn't get aroused, I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Someone's getting aroused. And it might be me. Can we get filled at the 108s? I'm moving my stop again. Just kind of moving it down, following these 5-minute candles at the 140 now. We're short from the 99s. I mean, honestly, we could maybe even lose that 100 level, but if we tap that 108s, I'll just lock it in there. Why 108? I don't know. It just kind of felt like a good little spot, but honestly, maybe go lower. Kind of that middle of that 15-minute range is kind of what I'm looking at, like that 100 area here. So like really like the 100 area, but I'm kind of front running that. We had an inverted fair value gap this morning. Did anybody see that? Oh my Lord. Inverted fair value gap. You guys didn't trade that? Nobody traded that? Y'all didn't trade that inverted fair value gap this morning? That shit was too good. Pretty Catholic says, once you get through the screaming and bitching, you say thoughtful stuff. Well, you know, I don't want to steal everybody's wife, but if I need to, I can. Okay? My 3 inches will take care of everybody. Start a new cult. Patrick, the PW BDH cult. Oh, baby Jesus. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. I moved my stop out there. I gotta move my stop now. Move my stop out there. We're up $22,000 on the day in the Real Money Live account. Oh, that's right, that's right, that's right. Only 22,000 on the day. We love to see it. We love to see it. 22,000 in the live account, locked it in. I'm done with that now, and let's see what happens with these Apex accounts. I got some new Apex accounts ready to go, baby. It's time. I don't know if it's possible. This market is not really moving. It's going to be hard to pass the 300K account right now, to be honest. But we'll see. We got some new ones. Can we go again? Just go all in long down here, maybe. 15-minute, middle of the 15-minute range. What do I use for the live account? I use Optimus Futures. That's Optimus Flow. It's pretty much Quant Tower. Why not just take a few days to pass them? Why would I want to do that? You know what I mean? Like, why would I want to spend a few days passing evals? It doesn't seem like a good idea. Why do I not use Trade-A-Bait for my personal account? Because Optimus Futures gives me better commissions. Way better commissions with Optimus Futures. Is why I use that account. Oh. I heard there's a rumor that maybe Apex is going to extend the PA account sale. So you'll still have the lower PA fees, but it just won't be 90% off. That's what that's kind of the rumor that's circulating right now. Which copy trader do I use? I use Trade of 8. When we enter the long, I mean, maybe not yet. Maybe not yet. Maybe not yet. Maybe not. Like, just don't do it yet. Just wait a little bit. Wait a little bit, chat. Don't get too excited yet. All right, so like I said, the middle of that 15-minute range now, a little bit of a bounce back up there on the 15-minute chart. This is where, you know, really they need to kind of hold that level. NVIDIA just not really helping. ES is back to the lows right now. ES is a little bit weaker than the Nasdaq is right now. If we lose that 100 level, could start to dump down here a little bit on the Nasdaq. The ES is basically down at the lows, the opening range lows. $23,100s. They're bouncing it around right there. They're bouncing it around right there, chat. The NVIDIA, again, just kind of bounced off the opening range low for now. Kind of giving some bouncy vibes here. They're gonna kind of double bottom on ES maybe, but now is it just kind of chopping around here at the 23,100s now. This is the opening range, middle of the opening range right now, holding up there for now. The 90% off sale with Apex is still going on. It's the last and final day. Last and final day for the 90% off on Apex. 1 day pass. Little pushback up here now. That 5-minute chart kind of setting up, holding that middle of the 15-minute range. Good thing we took profit on our short where we took it at, because you never know what happens next, chat. You just never know. Market goes up, market goes down. Yeah, I think NVIDIA just kind of holding that opening range low, keeping the Nasdaq up here. If you pull up the NVIDIA chart right now, NVIDIA is like just holding that 169 area. But the ES still looking weak here. We kind of got a wick there on the bottom of that 5-minute candle. We got a wick on the 5-minute candle on the Nasdaq, but don't mean we can't go lower. Either way, I think you can be patient. If you're waiting for a short, why not wait for maybe a little bit more pushback up? Build out a better bear flag there. Build out a better bear flag. Now it's kind of like if we lose that 100 support, then you can be looking for a short back down there or a short through that 100 area. But yeah, the kind of just holding up there for now. Looking weak. Nvidia still holding up there though. If the Nasdaq loses this 100 area, should sell down some more. We're holding those EMAs again. They're holding those lows. Back up to 21 EMA. Right there at the 21 EMA now. ES is kind of double bottoming. Nasdaq's holding up here. And that 15-minute Nvidia back, just holding that 169 area. So I think as long as Nvidia holds that 169, Nasdaq will kind of chop around here some more. We need that Nvidia to sell through 169 to keep that continuation to the downside. Right now, they're just kind of holding it up here. Just kind of holding it up. Am I looking for a short? Not really, until something will, ooh, I like that little denial there. 5-minute chart. You kind of want to see what we did here, right? Little kind of like pop up. And then that next leg down, so. We got 2 o'clock Trump talking. 2 o'clock Trump. I gotta go soon. I got a thing at 2 o'clock. There's that sell again, back down. Tricky spot. Very tricky spot here. I think if they lose that 100 area, could go all the way downtown really quick. Low of day here is 23,024s. The ES kind of breaking that bear flag, little bear flag there. 5-minute chart kind of broke already, making that move. Nasdaq trying to follow here. It's always that tricky moment where you're like, I'm up 22,000 on the day. Do I go short again? Do I do it again, you know? Or do I walk away? $1 million question. Sometimes you don't, it's not easy. Not easy to answer those questions. Sometimes it's just not easy to answer those questions. Looks like the bear flag playing out here now. Really, the only thing next to look at here would be the low. Unless this is a fake out. Little trap below those lows here. ES kind of faked out. Little fake out in the ES there. Uh-oh. Nasdaq swiped like these lows right there. Swiped all these little lows, try to pop it back up, but right there, 23,100. Should I go for 30,000 on the personal account today? Ugh. What's my coupon code for Apex? Code PW, bro. Look at the screen. Look at the fucking screen. Last trade of the day.
Patrick, can you call Netibar? I think he blew his accounts today. He is bad at this price action. I put my house on it, lol.
Call Nutty Bar. It's been a while. Raider for Life said, Patrick makes $50,000 from prop firms. I make $1 million, Raider for Life. $1 million a month, so. Last month, I made over $1 million in August. Hell, I made almost $200,000 on my birthday alone. You know? So. No, I mean... Yeah, you're acting like this is news. But I don't, like, it's not really news. Because I'm actually saying it live on YouTube. That I make $1 million a month. Am I long or am I short? I'm neither right now. I think if I was gonna be short, I should have already be short here. Rick Reed, you've been short since 23/155? Hell yeah. Hey, 6 micros is still 6 micros. All right, there's some more selling pressure coming in here now. Nvidia is now making new lows. ES making new lows here. Fuck. The FOMO is real right now, boys. The FOMO, man. She's going for those lows down there. She wants those lows. Nice little bear flag played out there beautifully from that 100 break to the downside now. So it would only be FOMO to get short here. Should have shorted the bear flag, Patrick. ES making new lows. Nasdaq down here now. Fucking A. Keith's up 13K today. You crazy, Keith. Let's go, 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 Keith. He's my man. He's our man. Let's go, Keith. Let's go, Keith. Love to see it, Keith. Really, honestly, truthfully. Love seeing people win. I don't know why everyone thinks I want everyone to lose. I want to see everybody winning. Winning with PW. It's called winning with PW, not losing with PW. I want to see y'all winning. 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 Nah, 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 nah. Newbie getting his first payout. Been watching for 1.5 years. FX Trader would like to send you a screenshot with a winning trade. Post it on Twitter and tag me, bro. Post it on Twitter and tag me, bro. Why did you take your trades on your personal account, bro? What? What do you want me to take them on? The fuck? Patrick, why did you trade your personal account? Why? What was I supposed to do? Nasdaq has just basically given back this whole move. We're below the open right now. Below the open right now. Below. Fuck. Little bear flag. They are at the 70s again. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to believe that we don't make a new low here. But I just don't know. I don't want to. Oh my God, my P&L right now is 23,420. Uh-oh. You know what that means? I think that's a sign. That's a sign from the people up above. 23,420. I think it's time to go get high, boys. I think it's time to walk away. You know what I mean? Like, it's time to go get high. You know? I said I was gonna stop smoking weed, but I mean, I feel like that's just that's a coincidence that I cannot avoid, you know? Time to smoke a big fatty by the pool. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. I can't wait to have my new car lift. Car lift. But This Saturday. Oh, damn. Dude, that car is so sick. I don't care what anybody says. That's my baby girl. That's my baby girl. That's my baby girl. Do you smoke while you fish? Never during tournaments. No smoking of the marijuana during the tournaments. I do say the nice thing about New York City is marijuana is legal and you can just fucking walk down the street smoking a joint. I'm not gonna lie, I might have spent all day Sunday high as a kite, just walking around eating in New York. Just fucking woke up 8 o'clock in the morning, smoked a joint, and just started walking. I think I was actually like 6:30. No, I woke up like 6:30 on Sunday and just walked around the whole city. What a great time. What a great time. Do you like winter, bro? No, I like summertime. I like when it's hot and women are wearing bikinis. I've never been a fan of mountains and snow, you know, it's cold. Too much clothes on, man. You know? Did you install the fin yet? What fin, Jason? All right, Nasdaq, will she go? Holding at that EMA again. Nvidia is making new lows. Nvidia down there to the 168s. I feel like the Nasdaq just wants to get down there to make a new low, right? Patrick, talk about being broke. Oh, dude, being broke sucks. Nothing worse than being broke. Honestly. True story. I do not recommend it to anybody. If I was you, I would pass on the brokenness. Being rich is way better. I choose being rich every day, if you know what I mean. All right, Nasdaq down there to the 55s. Down there to the 55s now. I might have to wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. We're up again. I went and bought another 20 Apex accounts because, you know, why not? You know, why not? We blew the other ones. Hey, it happens. You know, but don't worry. We're back in the green. We need $13,000 more. I don't like this. This is not the price action for doing it in. If you're trying to pass the Apex evals, the best price action to do it is when the market's moving. Because right now, this little like choppy is just not good. Not good, so. Would you say that once you hit your first 10K month, it's only up from there? Nope. It's never just up, my friend. It's down, it's up, it's all around, you know? It ain't that simple. That's the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Why'd I leave Hawaii? State income tax, bro. State income tax. Honestly, it's really expensive. And it's not like Hawaii's very inconvenient. I was trying to build a business. Like, it would just be very hard. Well, it'd be hard to have the BDH in Hawaii. There's just not a lot of good spots for the BDH in Hawaii. What would I do if you had $400? Like if all I had was $400 total, like my entire life, I would go to Vegas and bet on black or red. That'd be your best bet. .808 trader, born and raised on West Side. Ooh, West Side Oahu. Where at? Makaha area? Oof. West Side's hard. Being a white person going to the west side of Oahu, you gonna get some looks. You're gonna get some questions. You might get your windshield broken or your window broken. Someone said, yeah, Makaha, dude, I got the best story, right? First time maybe the third time that I went to Oahu, you know, I'm like 20, 21, 22, whatever it was, pretty young. And I was filming some pro surfers there. And there were no waves, or the waves were really big on the North Shore. Like they were really, really big on the North Shore. So nobody was really surfing because they were just like big and crazy. So I had this idea that I was gonna go over to Makaha, right? I'm like, oh, I'll go surf Makaha because, you know, that northwest, the swell wraps in there, and it's pretty fun. So I went over to Makaha, and first off, I'm like the only white person there, and I'm paddling out, and I shit you not, Sonny Garcia is out there, right? He's fucking surfing like a fish or like a fun board, and it was scary. It was like one of those moments where I was like, oh, this is bad idea. Why did I do this? Why did I do this to myself? Luckily, I was respectful. I stayed on the inside. I got pounded over and over. And then finally, one of the local uncles told me to go on a wave, a big closeout. And I went on the closeout. I almost died. Came back out, and they were all laughing. And they're like, oh yeah, Hallie, you know, you get the next one. You get the next one. I was like, oh, thanks, guys. Yeah. I honestly, I love Hawaii. I think Hawaii is such a magical place. The people, the culture, just the whole way of living. But it's hard. It's a hard place to live if you're not Hawaiian. If you're American, if you're a white person, there's a lot of racism. And I mean, I guess it's duly, you know, it's deserved. There's a lot of really retarded white people that go to Hawaii and do stupid shit. They have no respect. You know, they paddle out at fucking Makaha on their soft top longboard and just kook it up for everybody. Have I ever been to Guam? I've never been to Guam. I've heard about it though. Is that your RWB Porsche? Yes. I got 2 RWB Porsches. Look at that thing. It's so pretty. I don't know why, but in the lighting in here, it doesn't look as green. But in real life, it's more of like a mint green. The camera makes it look less. And then there's a red one there too. We got that one. And then we got these ones. Which one's your favorite, chat? Which one do you like more? This one? Or this one? What do you think? Red or mint green? Oh my God, look at the Nasdaq. There's the dump. There's the dump. Going for those lows. Going for those lows, chat. Nvidia just kind of bleeding out here. Nasdaq wants to take out those lows. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is where they love to like fuck around and like chop around and like do stupid shit down here at these lows. Just to fuck with everybody. But Just to fuck with everybody, you know? That next low is the low of day is like 25 area, the opening range low there. Full circle, man. Full circle here. See what happens once we take out that low down there. I mean, right now it's just been straight down, they said. There's that low coming up. Will they double bottom here? Double bottom? No trade right now, just kind of watching. Maybe I'll take a long, like for a swipe of the lows. If it looks crazy, like if we get like a really strong move down, maybe there's like a little dip buy to kind of buy like a little bounce after kind of swiping those lows. But right now, I think good time to just stay out of it. If you weren't short here from the hundreds, I'm like, fuck. Or shorted there again at the 50-60 area. I wouldn't be shorting right here, but it could go lower, right? It always could go lower. Nvidia just really getting murdered. I would expect just some type of like little like bounce here, you know, like a little bounce thingy. Kind of for that double bottom type setup maybe, but doesn't always work that way. Sometimes it just goes right through there. Sometimes it just goes right through, honestly. We bounced here strong at open. We got Trump speaking at 2 o'clock. Stuck there at the 35s. Can't get back above 35s for now. If they get it back above 35s, maybe a little pop back up, but just kind of stuck there for now. See, there's that little bounce there. See, they did it. They didn't swipe it through the 25s yet. It could still get through that 25s. It's not immune to it. And there's that little bounce. Back above the 35s there, right up to the 44s. Little double bottom action. Fuck. I should have went in all along right there. Should have went in all along. But what I would have rather have seen happen there is to get like that big trap candle. Right? Like if we would have got that move like down into here, 22,000, like 990 maybe, and then they had that little pushback up. It was just like we were right there, man. That would have been the move, right? Like this. Just didn't get that. I wanted that swipe of that low right there. Look at that. 20 points right back up now. Patrick, do you journal your trades? Never. For my journal, it literally is, it reads, today I went long and the market dumped and I lost money. Tomorrow, I went short and the market went up and I lost money. All right, so Apex 90% off deal. It ends today, but I have heard rumors that the PA deal, the discount on the PA accounts will continue for a little bit longer, possibly. So we'll see. How long did it take you to get your first payout? I mean, I started trading long before prop firms, so. All right, this thing is looking weak. Looking weak now. Another little bear flag kind of set up there. Now this is, I think, where the market could take out that low and dip down 23,000s. We got stuck there at the 50s, right on that 21 EMA again. The trend is obviously down. It should take out those lows there. In theory. Trading is all about theories, chat. Theories. Okay? ES is making new lows. Nasdaq's trying to make a new low here. Mikey said, what's in your course? I low-key might buy it. Don't buy it. Don't do it. Don't buy it. Terrible investment. I would not buy my course, whatever you do. Nothing in it good. Just bull flags and bear flags. It's terrible. Very, very, very bad. Just bad for everybody. Nasdaq again, kind of holding down there. Just holding down there, huh? Will this be the double bottom? What time is it? Almost 12? Almost 12 o'clock. Just kind of holding up there. Back to the 50s again. Ripped it right back up there to the 60s. Oh, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble. Double bubble. Double bubble, bubble. Da-da-da. 5-minute chart, Nasdaq found some support down there again. Just back up to the 60s to chop around some more. Maybe sucker in some more buyers or get these short squeezed. QQQs, everything kind of just holding up there. But good time to get chopped out. Chopped up, chopped up. Don't get chopped up, chat. Don't do it. Stay away from the chop. Trade the best times. Best time to trade in the morning. Not that noon. Don't trade at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock candle. Make you go up, make you go down. Maybe needs to build out more of a bear flag. I don't know. It's going nowhere quick. Kind of look like it wants to like take out these little candle highs. Maybe back up into this area. Retest that area, then build out a bear flag there. Kind of thing. It's kind of a double bottom right now, holding up there. Am I still trading? I'm out of here, pretty much. Just kind of was watching what's happening here. What's happening, chat? This is the first time we've gotten back above that 21 EMA in a while. All right. I think it's time to walk away. 12 o'clock. Don't keep fucking around with it, you know. Don't keep fucking around with it, Chad. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't keep fucking around with it, Chad. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Oh. You gotta read my note. Short to the low and then call it a day. Ugh, why though? Short to the low and then call it a day, he says. Oh, fuck. All right, I gotta go, actually. I got a meeting at 12 I've totally forgot about. So I'll see you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll see you tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays right here at the BD.